watching Ask Profit, a show that gets all your stock-related queries answered. Before we move on with the show and queries, moving on with the Ask Profit show, today we're joined by Nirav Ashar, Head Equity Research Analyst at Natin Manharwal Securities, and Ravi Singh, SVP Retail Research, Rediger Broking, joining us now. Welcome to both of you, gentlemen. A very good morning to Ish Maheshwari, who's writing in from Indore today. His query is on Radico Khaitan. He's got 190 odd shares at 1,505 a piece. That's his average price, and wants to know as to what could be the best course of action from a short to medium term perspective. Ravi, I'll come to you on this one. What are the charts indicating? Is there more steam left when it comes to Radico Khaitan?
Yeah, we have seen 27, 25 level. There is some profit booking, but right now is trading 26, 14. So is it attractive levels? And long-term prospects is good, and short-term prospects it will hit again 2750 to 2800 levels. So I can say that if you need, then book the profit. Otherwise, you just continue because your buying level is very good. Put the stop loss of 2575. So the next target would be the 2800. So just hold.
View on Radico Khaitan. Nirav, it's raining questions on banks certainly today. The next question is from Manjunath Nayak, who's writing in the name of this person, but he's bought 500 odd shares at 1750 a piece. Okay, his name is Narendra Mehta, and he wants to know as to what are the charts indicating for something like a Dixon from a next 6 months perspective. Ravi, I'll come to you on this one. Dixon Technology, how are the charts faring?
Ma'am, if you look into the shorter period, then definitely chart is negative. But I can say that in a daily, if you watch in a daily chart or weekly chart, then you feel very strong support around 14,500 levels. So I can say that put your stop loss at 14,500 or 14,200 levels. If you have some money, then you just again invested at current market price, then target would be the 17,500 to 1,800 level, but it will take time. So next 6 months you can just hold their position. So that is the better strategy for you.
You to hold is the view coming on Dixon Technology. This is the right level to enter into something like a Kaynes Technology. Ravi, I'll come to you on this one. In terms of the EMS players, they've done significantly well when it comes to their Q4 performance. Do you think that this is the right time to make an entry into something like a Kaynes Technology?
Ma'am, see, trend is your friend, and today is a bank day, so I can say that, yeah, the stock is trading at a very crucial level, but this is not a right time to invest. So better you choose banking stocks. The lot of stocks we are suggesting is Canara Bank and Federal Bank. A small bank is a Central Bank and Bank of Baroda. These are banks have enough potential to give at least 17 to 18% return from the current level. So why you invest in that type of stock? Just avoid and buy trend is friend.
Trend is the view coming in on Ravi. Go ahead and buy banks, is his view. All right, the next question is from Akhilesh, who's writing in from Andhra Pradesh. He's bought 104 odd shares of TV Today Network at 249 levels and sitting on a loss of 8,000 rupees right now. Wants to know as to whether he should hold or exit. Ravi, I'll again come to you on this one. It's one of those media stocks that's always volatile in nature. Do you suggest to continue or book losses at the moment?
Well, it's very difficult because if I'll say better if you comparing with the media industry, then why you miss the NDTV stocks? So they have enough potential. So TV Today, I think just take exit from the current market price because there is a strong resistance around 170 levels. But if you want to buy another stock, then we have a lot of options, right? Like banking or construction. Maybe you can switch their position to NMDC. But if you want in TV industry, then NDTV is the best good option for you.
Right. So that's with regards to where the media stocks are concerned. Our next question is from Narendra, who is writing in from Hyderabad and wants to have a medium-term outlook on something like a Sundaram Clayton. He's holding 10 odd stocks at 2,000.
Ma'am, he has done enough research, but I can say that don't be a bias. Levels you have to watch particularly. 780 is a strong support level. If below trading that level or closing below, then you take exit from the current level. Otherwise, you just hold. again it will touch the level of 880. Once 880 level hit, then you just ask profit again.
Right. Continue to hold is the view coming in on Vedant Fashions where charts are concerned, of course. Our next caller, Mohan, is calling. Our next question is on GMR Airports. Ravi Bhatnagar is holding 2,000 shares bought at almost 80 rupees a piece and wants to know if he can continue to hold for the next 6 months to see his profits grow more. He's sitting on a profit of 11,000 rupees right now. Ravi, I'll come to you on this one. Should he continue to hold?
Yeah, definitely chart is consolidating and it will test again 92-95 level very soon. So just hold with the stop loss of 80. I think once it correct around 84 or 83, then you can add also, but hold for the target of 92.
Okay, hold for the target of 92 for GMR Airports is the view coming in from Ravi. Our next question is from Murli, who's writing in from Bengaluru. He's got 65 watt shares of Vedanta at a price of 447. He's bought it for 2 months and wants to know if he can continue to hold or exit. Ravi, I'll stick with you for this one. Vedanta, what are the charts indicating?
Ma'am, this is a stock I can say that for the long-term portfolio. So if you are doing trading, then that is a difficult. But I can say that stock is good, dividend is good, very happy with the clients. So I can say that just hold your position with the stop loss of 425 for the target of 470 to 475 levels.
Yes, so that's it with regards to where Vedanta stands. Our next caller, Pradeep, is calling in from Bengaluru. Pradeep, I believe you have a question on Nazara Technologies.
Yes.
Go ahead, ask your query.
Yeah, I had bought 25 shares at a price of 682.
Okay. Thank you so much for joining us and giving us all your insights. Viewers, keep watching KYC on the other side.